Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to remove or change your phone number on TikTok even if you don't have or remember the old phone number. So if you are trying to change it or remove the number, but you are trying, TikTok is always sending the verification code to you, but you don't remember the code, I found a solution which worked for me because I had the same problem. I lost my SIM card and I can't access the old number, and I wanted to withdraw the money that I made from TikTok Live, but when I try to withdraw, they are sending the code to the old number which I don't have anymore. So if you want to change your phone number, let me show you exactly what you want to do. So if you just want to change it but like you don't want to use your phone number, just use Google Voice here. As you can see here guys, just use it and then they will give you a new number to add it there. But if you just want to change it because they are sending the code to old number, here is how you can do it. So as you can see here guys, just go to your TikTok account and click the three little lines in the top right corner, and then click settings and privacy at the very bottom here. So if you want to change a phone number without receiving the verification code to your old number because you don't have it anymore, just scroll down a little bit and until you see where it says report a problem. Okay, just click report a problem. And after that, you just want to click this paper here in the top right corner with a pen, with a small pin. Just click this paper, and after that you want to click it again. Just click this paper here, and here you just have to type in here, hi, I lost my old phone number, please can you remove the old number because I can't receive a verification code anymore. I lost my number. Please fix it. And then click report. So they will get back to you within 24 hours and they will change your number. So the best thing about TikTok is they respond very quick. If this video helped you, please be patient now and drop a like, and see you guys in the next video. If you want to get 1000 TikTok followers for free in just 1 minute, click in the video in the screen right now. So see you guys in the